My bike didn't want to start. I had to press the starter like 15 or 20 times. So if you guys know how to make carbureted bikes run better in the cold, please let me know. Because I do not want to fuck up the starter or the battery by pressing the starter so much. I'm not even going to ride it if it's going to be hard to start like that in the cold. Some guy told me just to turn the peacock off and let it run out of gas the day before. And then when it's the next day, I turn the gas on. So I'm going to try that today. And hopefully it starts. Anybody know how to make a carbureted motorcycle start on a cold day? Please let me know. Yeah, this is the peacock. So when I go home today, I'm gonna turn it off on the ride home. So that way, right when I pull up to the house, it runs out of gas. Yeah, the choke's in. I had it off. I had it pulled out when I was trying to start it and it still didn't start. Carburetors, you gotta love them. But when I want to get starter fluid, but I don't know where I put it. I don't know if I take off these rubber clamps and put it in through here in the intake boots, or if I gotta take off the gas tank and put it over there in the air intake. But that's I know there's a better way than buying starter fluid. I'm gonna try my peacock shit. They also tell me to turn the key over and not to turn this on, or turn this on and not the key, and to rev the engine so that way the pump doesn't prime. Yeah, you guys, I'm gonna drain my fucking battery or my fucking starter by pressing the starter so much. There has to be a better way on the cold days. Somebody let me know what's up. I need help. I'm like this tempted to call my mechanic and tell him. Any advice? Fuck.